How to remove or turn off subscription on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove or turn off subscriptions on TikTok. So let's get started. First, just open up your TikTok. After you open your TikTok, go to your profile on the bottom right. After you're on your profile section, tap on these three lines on the top right and go to settings and privacy. Now after you're there, just scroll down all the way and there you will see report a problem. Tap on it. After you tap on it, just scroll down and there you will see subscription option. Tap on subscription and right there you will see managing your subscription option. Tap on that. Now right here you will see how can I cancel an auto renewable subscription. Tap on it. And right here you will see two ways you can cancel your subscription. First, just go to the specific creator's community benefit page, go to profile, purchase contents and subscriptions. There you can just simply cancel subscription. The other way is just go to your app store and manage your subscription there. So this is how you can cancel your subscription on TikTok. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this video helped. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.